Hello guys, today we're going to be making trading cards, and as you can see, I'm on PowerPoint and on this thing. So basically how I got here is there's a template that you're going to want to click, and you click on that, create it, and you'll come with this. There's also going to be more, you can just delete that. But basically what you're going to want is this. So now first thing what we're gonna do is we're going to obviously we're gonna change what are we like, what is this trading card gonna be called, right? So let's just do annual thing, but today I'm going to be making like a sheriff, because we need a sheriff here. And yeah, so now that we've got that done, we're also going to want to go to, now we're going to want to go to format back, I'm just going to take this out, format, and then you'll see format background, and then we're gonna want to go, let's go solid, we're gonna go solid fill, and then we're gonna do that, and the color is also gonna be black, because obviously I like the color, black. And now that also another thing that we're gonna want to type this on. Sorry, I had. Okay, I just changed that. Now what we're gonna want to do is format shape. We're gonna make. Okay, so we're gonna want to go to shape format, and then we're gonna go to text outline. We're gonna make this white, and then text effects is gonna have a glow, and it's gonna glow. Oh, we just want it to glow a lot. And then we're gonna go to the shape, and we're gonna solid fill. Well, that did not work. Sorry about that. Text outline. So everything should be. Okay, if we go, okay. Anyways, no fill, solid fill. Let's just change that back to white, guys. Sorry. Sheriff, sorry. I was just trying to make it look as good as possible, but of course we're not gonna do that, because it didn't work. So, anyways. This is taking up all the space, this text box. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make it a bit smaller. Like that. And then we can just move this. Like that. And it's, space is cleared up, right? So that's what we wanted. And so now what we're gonna do is, well, of course it needs a type, right? So what we're gonna do is like sheriff could be insert. Sorry. Not working on me right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change. So we're gonna go to your use this slide if you need more content. We're just gonna go to here, delete all of this. And also delete that. And then, of course, it's still blue. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna change it to Arial Black, because that just looks much cooler. And then we're gonna go to shape format. Let's change the shape fill to white, because so that it's a bit more bold. And then well, what we're gonna do now is, as you can see, got this blue writing. I really don't, sometimes it just does not work. So, yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go enter a few times. So we're gonna go the type, and we're just gonna go like that. And now, really all we need to go is character insert, icons. Sorry about this. Sorry about this. This is not working. Here we go. So now, try again. So yeah, sorry about that. Delay. So now we can go like, so we're gonna change this to their, we can just switch to their, we're just gonna go to, until we find occupations, and then we're gonna click on that. And then you'll find a list of, or a bunch of things, and you can scroll around, but of course this is what we're looking for. We're going to click on this one, sorry, this didn't work. So if, anyways, we can, we'll just try that again. Icons doesn't seem to be working. It's kind of weird. Occupations, it usually does work. Oh, I know. It's because we need to go back to shape, format background, of course, and then we just go like this, and we make it to a dark gray. And of course, this is in there. So then we'll cut that and insert, and then we can go to icons. Okay, finally, this should work. Very sorry about this. So many delays. Patience. Back to this. We're gonna go for this. Kind of weird. It does. Oh my god! Why does it do this on to me? Because I think I know what. I need this. Yeah. Just keep, so actually, we're gonna do that. Sorry. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna. So that is, well, not your type, but like, sorry. So this is like your character, and then if we go type, we can go. What is it? Police. If we go back to this, we can go. We can basically change it to like that. Then we can go back to our. Okay, we go back to here. Now we can go to format background, and then solid fill, and we can change this back to black. And now everything just looks so beautiful because it's so bold, right? And now we can just go back to this thing here. Type police. And then what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna go enter. We can go HP, which stands for health points. Shift and make that, and then you can choose anything. I'm just gonna go for 450 and enter it again. Then go to bold and go, and then type in. No, bold it and go caps lock, and then go tax. And undo caps lock and do this. Okay, and then we go enter. And then we can go like I don't know. Attacks. Which could be let's just give them 2, which would be taser, enter, and then tackle. Tackle, because of course he's a cop. Cap. So, and then we go enter about this much, and we can go out. Sorry. This one first, because this one I'm gonna do like 50 damage because the taser could really well, do something. And then let's do 30 because 30. And this is looking pretty good, but of course we want some special moves. So if we go cast lock again, special moves, and then we're gonna go, well, and then we're gonna go like enter, and then, well, I don't know. What do you think? Jailbird, that's what it could be called. Jailbird. And then go like this, and then go your opponent is benched. And then we're okay, guys. We're almost done here. And yeah, sorry, I forgot to do this, but like really, it doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna go here. Just delete that and delete that. And go to text fill white, and then go stats, and we're okay. So guys, that's all for today, guys, and I hope you liked the video.